بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Believe in the Quran.
Why?
Okay, Adam, let's take you at face value and accept what you're saying. Let me just ask a real quick question. How do you make istinja?
How do I make sinjat?
Yeah.
Can you translate that? What does that mean exactly?
You don't know what istinja means? You're from the Middle East, right?
I'm 11, yeah.
We'll just give him the benefit of the doubt. He's a Muslim. Let him roll on. Oh, you see, that's part of the question.
I just want to point out. I was listening to the stream, and when Adam was asked, "Are you Muslim?" he said, "I've been in the Middle East my whole life," or something. Instead of saying yes.
Yes, exactly.
I answered it. Yes. What?
Okay,
Yeah, I know.
Bro.
I know. That's what
I'm
you
not
said
asking
initially.
you
He said he made a mistake. I mean,
Adam, forget all that. Okay, I got you. I'm asking you, since you're a Muslim, and every Muslim, alhamdulillah, that's sitting on this panel, Arab or not, knows what istinja is, because we all make istinja. How do you make istinja? Easy question. Or it's up to you.
Yeah, I put you prostrate.
Maybe that's how he does istinja, bro. He prostrates and does istinja.
I can.
Do you know what istinja is, Adam?
Wait. Just give me 1 second with Adam, please. So Adam, when you're making istinja prostrating, this is amazing, right? Okay, so Adam, when you're making istinja prostrating, what do you use for istinja prostrating? Oh, you don't know what istinja is?
No, what is it in English? What does it mean?
You're a Muslim. Every Muslim learns what istinja is.
Is that
You
what
live
you
in the
clean
Middle East your whole life.
You clean it.
Are you googling it?
I think he's googling.
Adam, there's some folks in the private chat that are making takfir of you, saying, "Okay, put me on. Lol, I am a Muslim, unlike Adam."
Well, that's fine. I don't care what they think.
All right, so have we explained what istinja is? So tell him what istinja is and ask him how he makes it.
Istinja is the washing after you go to the Qada al-Hajj, after the call of nature, right?
Yeah. After you go to the bathroom,
right? Yeah, after you do that.
How do you do that?
You pour water where you.
Okay. Adam, where is that in the Quran?
And I just do it because it's a cultural thing, you know. It's a cultural.
Oh, so the Quran doesn't have istinja.
Like I said, I haven't read the entire Quran. I'm a Muslim, and a Muslim, but I just haven't read the entire Quran. So
okay,
you're a Muslim who believes. Oh, sorry, Shaykh. You're a Muslim who believes you not only need the Quran, yet you haven't read the whole Quran. Is that what you just said?
No. Listen. I know why I should reject Hadith.
Why?
But you haven't read the Quran.
So, but I know that the hadiths are contradictory, and
I'm gonna mute myself so I can laugh. So.
I can prove that. I can prove Sahih. I can prove that Sahih. Sahih. I can prove that Sahih.
بسم الله